Hello again, I'm Pete English with Keller Williams Realty. I'm your trusted East Cobb real estate agent. Today, we're going to talk about water bills. What happens when you go out to the mailbox, you open the mailbox, you get your mail, and inside is a water bill. You open the water bill, it's a bill for $1,019.27. The first thing that came to my mind is maybe I should turn the water off. Maybe I have a leak. Maybe I should fix the leak. Maybe I should figure out how in the world I'm going to pay for that water leak. So let's take a look at how I spent my weekend and see if there's a tip in here to help you if it ever happens to you. This is how the yard looks today after all the digging and all the fun we had over the weekend. But let's take a look at what it looked like while you were watching college football yesterday. As you can see, there was quite a bit of digging and quite a bit of pipe work that happened in order to find the leak and to stop the leak. So let's go inside and take a look at how in the world this could be prevented. Well, maybe not prevented, but when it happens to you, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's go inside. All right, let's take a look at, once you've figured out that you got a problem, what do you do to resolve it? Well, I'm in Cobb County, and irrespective of which county you live in, you've got a water department or water authority. So what I did is I simply went to the website, the Cobb County website, and went to customer service, and then within customer service there's a place where you can appeal your water bill. So let's take a look at that right now. All right, so here we are at the Cobb County website. So notice up here at the top it says Cobb County Water Customer Service. All right, and over here on the left, I'm going to scroll down just a tad, and it says leaks. Now, you know, your website on your respective county may be a little different, but in Cobb County, this is where you go. So I click on leaks, and from within leaks, I scroll down just a tad, and over here in the middle, it says leak credit application. Click here to apply online. So I simply click here to apply online. Now what it's doing is it's going to ask me information. So it creates a ticket that they use internally. Their ticket number is 6046. It has nothing to do with me. This is a new application status, and this is where I would put my account number right here. Are you an account holder? I would say yes. Yours, you know, may be different. You put your full name, your contact telephone number, your email address in there twice, your street number so they can look all of this up, and then the repair date. All right, so one of the things that Cobb County does is they say, look, submit a bill, whether you paid the plumber or whether you did the work yourself, submit the receipts, and we'll kind of think about it a little bit. All right, so let's go back to the website, and you put in your repair date. Was this an indoor leak or an outdoor leak? You know, put whatever it is. And then was this a pool repair? Well, in a pool repair, a lot of times they'll drain the entire pool, which is 1.5 bazillion gallons of water. So even though I had 76,000 gallons of water, which is about 74,000 gallons more than I use on a monthly basis, it's still, they want to know if this is a pool repair. And then what is the estimated pool capacity? There are actually websites out on the web that can give you the pool capacity, and if you remember your high school math, you could figure it out yourself. All right, so we'll come back over here, and then when do you think the leak occurred? From what day until the day that you resolve the problem? All right, and then briefly explain that, you know, whatever, you found the leak and water was going everywhere and it leaked over the weekend while you were out of town, whatever. You don't have to give your life history here, but you know, certainly give them some information that they can work on. And then from there, we're simply going to submit. The only thing we do now is down here, it says attach all receipts. Well, you can like take a picture of those, save them as a JPEG, and then upload them here. Or you can scan them in from a scanner if you've got one at home, or scan them in, from a scanner at work. Attach the receipts, and after you've done all of that, you can submit it. And they say that it takes a while to do. They say to go ahead and pay your water bill, and the request that you're asking for here could take 30 to 60 days. So I'm like, whoa, I've got a $1,000 water bill, which even if they credited me $1,000 for the entire cost, my water bill is less than $100 a month. I mean, it's less than $50 a month. So if I paid them $1,000 now, I'd basically have a credit for however, for a long time. And so anyway, I have decided not to pay the water bill and to see how long it takes for them to come back and say, hey, we'll credit you however much money. So stay tuned, we'll figure that part out. But hopefully this has been helpful for you. If you ever have a water leak or something like that, all hope is not lost. You can appeal to your water authority and hopefully get some resolution there. So hopefully this is helpful. If it is, like it, share it, or subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have questions or suggestions for other videos, then put them down below, and I would love to hear from you and keep giving you information that's helpful for you. Alrighty? So there's plumbing today. We'll talk about real estate sometime when you have a need for real estate. So if you know someone, a family member or whatever, give me a call. Would love to help you out. And until next time, we'll see you later.